without wasting any time, I'm gonna spin the wheel and see what today's video gonna be about. Either it's gonna be about Normat or FreeBSD. Let's go. Alright, so I guess we're making a video about Normat. Nice. Even though I really wanted to make a video about FreeBSD, but I guess the wheel is the one that's decided what today's going to be about. Close this and let's just select the CD or the DVD we're going to be using and choose, where is it? Over here. Oh, you kidding? No way. I deleted the ISO? Come on, man. Come on. FreeBSD, come on. You're telling me I don't have the ISO? No way, man. That's what I'm asking. Where's the ISO? Okay, all files. Oh, it's an image. It's an image. Okay, what if I turn this into open archive? We have 0 and 1. Can I turn it into an ISO somehow? Okay, so you're telling me I cannot take a look at this in a virtual machine and it's like necessary? Who said that? Now it's an ISO. Take the thing, close, power on this machine. Is it gonna work? I don't think so. Nope, it didn't work. I don't think it's working. Okay, so how to use an image in VMware. Okay, that needs a little bit of assertion. How to use an image in VMware. Using an image file directly as bootable disk in VMware is non-natively supported, as VMware virtual machines use the VMDK format for virtual disks. However, there's our methods, but that's not what I'm talking about. Okay, how to convert a .image to ISO. Image to ISO, that's what I'm looking for. That feels super not safe, but should I download it? I mean, image to ISO, free software, nah, man. Nah, I'm not using this. There's no way. Open source program for converting image files to ISO formats. I want to open source. No. You don't need any special. Open file explorer, turn on the view file extension, then rename the file .image to ISO. That's what I did. But why isn't it working? That's the thing. Okay, so I guess today we have one of two options. Option number one is keep going through a whole headache of trying to find out how to turn this .image into an ISO, or we can just install FreeBSD and forget about Normat. And maybe in a future video I'll be installing Normat on actual hardware, because that's work for sure using something like Balena Etcher. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's borrow off this machine and we're gonna switch to the other ISO, which is the FreeBSD. So sorry, it's not about Normat anymore, but we're gonna make a video about FreeBSD. Really sorry. Where's FreeBSD? Here is it. Okay, we're good to go. Power on this virtual machine and stretch. And believe me, it will work. I don't predict the future, but I'm just saying. Here you go. I like the looks of this. Not gonna lie. Welcome to FreeBSD. Would you like to begin an installation or use the live system? Well, we probably have no live environments where I can, do things with, just like we do with other Linux distributions. So that's why I'm just going to install it, continue with default schema, test, blah, 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 blah. Okay, keymap doesn't matter. Please choose a hostname for this machine. Jason, choose optional system component to install. Base DBG. Okay. 32 libraries, debugging. I don't know what's all. Port 3, system source. What if I select all of those, right? Maybe it's gonna download some things in the background and hey, wait, I'm still not done. What the hey, yo, bro, what? Huh? I still didn't choose anything. I clicked enter by mistake. Okay, just choose all of them. I mean, I want to get the whole FreeBSD experience. Okay, some installations were not found on the boots phone. Next field will allow you to configure networking so that they can be downloaded from the internet. So just like I said, things gonna need to get downloaded. Okay, so yes, would you like to configure IPv4 for this interface? No, I said. Guide root on ZFS. Disk setup. Open a shell and partition by. The first option seems to be a good one. Okay. I'm just guessing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's my first time using FreeBSD. Okay, so I guess we're almost done. So proceed with the installation. Type 0 disk. What's what that even means? Rescan devices. Disk info. Pool name. Okay, force 4K sector. Okay. I don't know what the hell is going on. Swap. Okay, we have 2 gigs of swap. That's nice. Mirror swap. You know what? Okay, enough. I'm gonna lose my mind. I didn't know what that means. Stripe, no, round, huh? Okay. Does anyone have any idea what that means? I don't know what that means. Hey, wait, man. I still, oh my god. Why do I keep clicking enter without, okay. Well, what is this? Please select one or more disks to create, this one. Okay. Last chance. Are you sure you want to destroy this current content following disk called DA0? Yes. Destroy everything. Yes. Go ahead. Okay. So please select the best suitable sites for your or other if you want to. Bro, what am I even doing right now? Okay. You know, don't ask too many questions. Just get straight to the point. Just like that. Okay. Because if I keep reading every single thing and understanding every single thing, I'll spend days just trying to install FreeBSD. That's why I'm just clicking on yes. And as you can see, it's installing, I think, or downloading. Yeah, it's downloading all the things we selected before. Really cool. I like how simple it is. But the thing that I'm worried about is that we're not gonna have any desktop environments or anything. So I will need to learn how I can get that thing. How to get a desktop environment. Did I just misspell that? Doesn't matter. On FreeBSD. Okay, installing desktop environments on FreeBSD involves several steps after the base system installation. The process generally includes installing Xorg, which is a window manager. Wait, a Windows system which provides Okay. Package install Xorg. Installing a desktop environment. Oh, we can even install KDE. Okay. So I would like to go with XFCE, I guess. I don't know which one gonna fit the FreeBSD vibe, but we can find out simply by going to Reddit, just like this. And yes, I misspelled Reddit, doesn't matter, the hell now. And type FreeBSD and just, you know, see how people are using FreeBSD desktop. Okay, so just like I expected, I believe this is, what is this? KDE, okay. Let's see what most people use. Wait, I cannot go any farther now. What? That's it? That's it? Oh, only 175? Didn't know the FreeBSD community is really that small. FreeBSD. Come on. Okay, what about this? No? Nobody's showing his rise? No? Okay, what about this one? Oh, this one doesn't even have a desktop environment or anything. Yeah. Okay. Anything else? Let's just keep checking. Maybe we'll find out. I installed FreeBSD on my wife's laptop. Good for you. But okay, this is KDE. But why will they do what people do in the first place? That's the thing. So that's why I'm gonna go with XFCE. I believe XFCE will, you know, match with the thing, you know? All right, where are we at? I think we're almost there. Okay, you're all while fetching, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So you failed to do everything. Okay, distribution extracts failed. An installation step has been aborted. Would you like to restart the installation or exit the install? Restart. What did I fail? So I'm doing everything all over again. Would you like to configure? Okay, yes. Maybe it's about the Wi-Fi. Would you like to configure? No. Is that my IP address, bro? Auto, okay. I did something wrong, but I'm not sure what it is. Encrypt disks, no. Mirror swap, no. Select, okay. Can I just proceed with the installation again? No disks present to configure. So we have no disks. I mean, we clearly have that one over here. Come on, don't be like that. This is gonna be a long video. Okay, so back. We definitely have a disk. Present to configure. So, okay, go back, exit, installation, continue, JSON, base. Okay, I'm not gonna download anything this time. What about if I select download, right? We have this 40 gigs disk, sure. Revert, commit. No, right into the disk, commit. Okay, can I just go with auto? There is an auto option here. Okay, I think we're just good to go. I don't know what the hell is going on. Continue. I'm just clicking on enter. Okay, can I proceed with the installation? No disk present? What? Huh? What am I doing wrong? I'm just clicking and things and it's not working whatsoever. Okay, keep doing it. Maybe it will work at some point.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I'm kind of struggling over here. Can't find... What? What? Excuse me? Wait, is that even installed? Wait, Jason. What do you want me to do? So the whole thing is broken now. Well, thank you. God damn it. I didn't know what to do. So it's installed. So from what I understand, understand is that everything installed, but it didn't install the right way. And now when I reboot it, it's trying to boot into something, but it can't. So power off and let's just delete that disk we have everything installed on. And maybe by then we can install everything all over again and fix the mistake that was made. So hard disk, make a SATA, okay. Create a new virtual disk. Yes, make it around 40 gigs, just like previous one. And okay, we're good. I hope so. Put it somewhere in the same one as before. Virtual machines, somewhere over here. Let's just call it, and doesn't even matter. Nope. Finish. Okay, powering this virtual machine. Just there you go. And now we have FreeBSD load. Boots installer, boots a single user, escape to loader. Just go with number 1. Okay, install, continue. If you're on, choose a hostname for this machine. So the same as before. Everything gonna stay the same. This one, please wait. This can take a while. I have a feeling this time it's gonna work. Okay, I see 0 disks. I know it's. What if I select? Oh, okay. Select virtual device type. Stripe. No. I don't know. That's just okay. Go with the first one. This one. All right, we have a disk. Everything else we're gonna leave it as default, and that's really it. Install. Last chance. Are you sure you want to destroy this current? Contents of the following disk. Yes, and now it's doing its thing again. Nice. Please don't break.
5 hours later.
Go back over here, and wow, we're done. Please select the password for the system management account. Okay, so here is my password. We type the new password, of course, whatever you ask for, and please select the network interface to configure. Okay, would you like to configure IP for this interface? Nope. I'm not gonna repeat the same mistake. I'm not configuring it. We have something. American, North and South. Sure, that sounds good for me. Select a country or region. I feel like I will choose Canada, right? That's the right thing to choose. Does it even matter? Hell no. Select a zone which, oh my god, stop asking useless questions. I don't care about that. I care about none of that. Does this time zone observation ADT looks reasonable? Yes. Skip. Choose the service you would like to be started at boots. Ooh, okay. What that means, we have a PS2 mouse pointer on console. What if I select all of these? Yeah, sure. I would like all of these. Perfect. Choose system security hardening option. No, I'm not gonna mess with security today. No firmware to install. Continue. Huh? Okay. Would you like to add user to the installed system now? Yes. Username, Jason. Full name, your mom. Leave empty for, I don't know what that means. Okay. Login group, your mom. Group, your mom does not exist. Login group, Jason. What do you mean it does not exist? Jason. Login group is Jason. Invite Jason into other groups? Yes. Invite what? Group? Yes, that's not exist. What do I do? Okay. Login class defaults. Okay. Shell, sh. Okay. I heard about sh. Let's just choose sh. Home directory, home Jason. Yes. Home directory permission, leave empty for defaults. Okay. Enable ZFS encryption. No. Use password based? Yes. Use an empty password? No. Use a random password? No. Enter password. This is really funny, man. What the hell is going on? Enter the password again, sure. Look out the accounts after creation? No. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Add another user? No. Okay, are we good? Apply, configure, and exit and start. Okay. Yes. The installation is now finished. Bro, the FreeBSD installer is like cursed, man. The installation is now finished. Before exiting the installer, would you like to open a shell in the new system to make any final manual modification? No. Installation of FreeBSD complete. Would you like to reboot into the install? Yes. Finally. Oh my god. That was a crazy experience. I installed Linux, I installed Windows, but never installed FreeBSD, and that was new to me. I loved it. Okay, I loved it. Okay, boot multi-user. Wait. I believe I should go with one, right? Okay, I guess we're there. I have some goals. Oh, by the way, oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. I have some goals. So the first goal was to install FreeBSD or Normat, okay? Then set up everything, which I kind of did. So I set up FreeBSD, so it's ready to go. Customize things. But I cannot customize anything since I will have just a terminal. That's why we're gonna install XFCE by going with package install XFCE. Okay, let's just do it. Login, JSON. Here you go. Password, of course. Here you go. No. I don't remember the password. Okay, what's the password? It's okay. No. Wait. Something. Okay, it was just. Oh man. Okay, what did I do wrong? JSON. I'm sure that's my user. Login failure. What? Incorrect. So I cannot access my FreeBSD installation. Come on. Please. No password. What about that? Even that? Okay. Maybe I did something. JSON. Password, here you go. Incorrect. Man, I don't know. What's the password? Admin? No. Okay, just let me do something. I cannot enter anything. Okay, that's interesting. So I have FreeBSD installed, but I don't know the password. Amazing. Login of the login, JSON. The password, JSON. Incorrect. Do I have an admin? Can I log in to add or some FreeBSD admin? Login. I don't need my own user. What is the login root password for FreeBSD for Raspberry Pi? FreeBSD work. Okay, so come over here. If you're smart, I'm smarter. Okay, FreeBSD. Okay, FreeBSD login incorrect. What is going on with this? That's my question. Why? I'm sure I'm not tripping. Look at this. It says FreeBSD, and that's where it's at. Maybe my keyboard. If I'm tripping, maybe my keyboard is kind of messed up. So FreeBSD, yeah. The numbers. My password, I know my password, but okay, login. FreeBSD, password, FreeBSD. Oh my. So I have one of two options. First option, reinstall FreeBSD again. The second option, try to log into the app, which obviously I believe this one is not the one. Needs empty password, but not for sure. Okay, what if we use an empty password? It's like FreeBSD. Password, oh no. Okay, I thought login again, JSON. What if I just go with FreeBSD and my actual password? Power off this. I'm getting mad right now. I'm seriously getting mad. Why on earth this thing didn't want to just boot and work? Okay, boots single user. Maybe the first option wasn't the right one. So I'm just booting to a single user, which is obviously JSON. Okay. Please full path name or return for bin SA. Return I said. What do you mean? Enter full, I don't know, or return for bin sh. I'm clicking on return. There you go. Oh, finally. So are we there? Are we good? We're good. Okay. Package install fast fetch. I'm just like existing. Okay. Oh, read only files. What is okay? Package install XFCE. Yes. Package install XFCE. Yes. A pre-built version of package will not be found for your system. Oh man. Okay. All right. So we're not gonna have FreeBSD for today. I mean, we have it installed, but I'm facing problems trying to log in to my user and to install anything. This one is not working. So no matter what I do, okay, we have something, but to install things like a desktop environment or anything like that, it doesn't work. Maybe I need to update things. How to update FreeBSD? FreeBSD, okay. FreeBSD, no, I don't think that will work. It's not. It's an update. Guys, I think I will end this video here and I will call it a day because I'm really mad. I've been trying forever to just get this working, but no. Okay, so this is going to be part 1. We installed FreeBSD, that's an achievement, and we learned how to install it. That's good. And now I just need to configure a little bit more and, deal with the situation of why I cannot log into anything, but that's fine. You can tell me in the comments what I did wrong. So in the next video, we're going to finish dealing with this and we're going to install desktop environments and do all kinds of things. And you can leave me some ideas in the comments of what I can do with this. This was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.